Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor not turning on after sleep. So here's a guide for your DP wake, power settings and reset. Fix 1. Wake the computer. Move the mouse or press a key on the keyboard. If nothing happens, press the power button on your PC once. Don't hold it down. Fix 2. Power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor. Unplug the power cable for 30 to 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn the monitor on. Fix 3. Check the video cable. Make sure the HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C cable is firmly connected. Disconnect and reconnect the cable. Try a different cable or a different port if available. Fix 4. Select the correct input source. Press the Navi key or the menu button on the monitor. Open input source and select the input you are using such as HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. Fix 5. Disable Fast Startup in Windows. Open Control Panel and go to Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do. Select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and save the changes and restart your computer. Fix 6. Update graphics driver. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers, or download the latest version from the GPU manufacturer's website. Restart your computer after the update. Fix 7. Adjust Windows power settings. Open Settings, go to System and select Power and Battery. Set a longer screen and sleep timeout or temporarily disable sleep to test. Restart your computer and check if the monitor wakes normally. Fix 8. Update the monitor firmware. If MSI has released newer firmware for your monitor model, install it by following the instructions on the MSI support website. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.